Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Boo. You click on settings, then you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. You click on apps. On above you can search about Boo. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. After that you can click on clear cache. Then you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your